Hi, this is Bob Marquedant, your local realtor since 1985. We're here today in our continuing series on best construction practices, and today we're talking about residential insulation. Most homeowners are familiar with the use of fiberglass batt insulation, but many new homes also use foam insulation either as a standalone or in tandem with the fiberglass. There are two types of foam insulation, open cell and closed cell. Open cell insulation allows moisture to penetrate. It has a lower R factor, typically 2.5 to 3.25 per inch, versus the closed cell, which is about maybe 30% more expensive. It has an R factor of 6 to 7 per inch, and it will not allow water to penetrate into the property. There are a couple of methods of installation for foam insulation. You can either fill the entire bay with foam, and then you would cut off the excess with a saw, or you can install 1 inch or so of the foam, let that set up, and then install your typical insulation. In this case, a R7 for the foam, an R13 makes for an R20 envelope. And remember, your vapor barriers always go on the inside or toward the heated space and not away. The most important thing about insulation to remember is the vapor barrier. You never want to have a vapor barrier that is away from the heated space. In this case, the floor above is heated, the basement is not, so we have no vapor barrier on the bottom side of the floor joist. If you were going to use a vapor barrier at all here, you would install it against the bottom of the floor sheathing. Remember, no vapor barrier away from the heated space. That allows moisture to be trapped and can cause mold and mildew. Make sure to check with your door and window manufacturer before you apply foam in between the expansion jamb and your rough framing, as some warranties are voided with the use of foam, especially if you make the mistake of using high expansion foam in this area. We hope you enjoyed this segment of our best construction practices. I'm Bob Marquedant, your local realtor since 1985. Thank you for watching.